Today, I'm preparing one of our traditional African dishes, a Cameroonian dish from the northwest region. This dish belongs to the people of Bamenda, and if you're from the northwest, this one is yours. I also have deep connections to the northwest. Two of my aunties are from there, my in-laws are from there, and this is a meal I learned directly from them. Growing up, I'll be honest, I didn't like this food at all. As a little girl, I avoided it completely. But now that I'm an adult, those old food preferences are gone. I eat everything, and I truly appreciate our traditional dishes. My younger one especially loves this meal, and since we're now based in the United States, he's been craving it. So today, I decided to prepare it and share the recipe with you all. Go to an African store to get fresh ingredients, starting with cocoyam, which we'll use to make our achu fufu. For the soup, we're using traditional spices, including bush pepper, not the regular black pepper you know. This is real bush pepper, very aromatic and traditional. I'm also adding country onions. Some people call it rondelle, but honestly, the English name is not very clear. What matters is the flavor. It's strong, smoky, and delicious. We'll use palm oil and, very importantly, limestone, which we call Akangwa. Traditionally, people used to burn plantain peels, soak the ashes in water, and extract the natural lime for the soup. That's the old tribal way, but today, most people use natural limestone, and that's perfectly fine. Making the achu fufu. The cocoyam is boiled with the skin on.
Hey, hey, it's Esty in the pot. Stir it up, baby, make it hot, hot, hot. From okra to stew, you know what to do. Pull up a chair, I'm cooking.
To pieces and pound it. Normally, this is done with a mortar and pestle, but since I don't have a traditional mortar, I'm improvising. I'm using my meat grinder. So this is our cocoa. We're going to use our meat grinder to grind or pound our achu since we don't have mortar here. So we're going to improvise and we're going to use this. So I'm going to turn it. You see it's working. So we're going to put our cocoa here. This is how we do. We put the cocoa here. Then you use this to press. So we're just going to turn it on. Trust me, it works perfectly. After grinding, we mix the cocoyam with our hands. Very well. Not easy, it's strong. But since me I'm expert to turning stuff, I can mix it. Yeah. That's my idea. Mix, mix, mix until it becomes smooth and stretchy. This is our achu fufu, ready to be eaten with yellow soup. That's it. That's our achu. So now, we are going to make a plate. So for us to make our plates, we're just going to cut some achu. I don't usually like this root. I'm not a fan of achu. But I'm going to eat it. It has been long. Then I will go on past my level of I don't want this food. I don't like this food. It's not going to kill me. So I'm going to eat it. I'll go on past that age that I'm selective. That I don't like this. I don't like this. It's not going to kill me. So we're just going to make
what I'm doing like this, I'm just trying to, that's how we do have presentation, you have to put it, so I'm trying to make it and create a hole in the middle so that I can put my soup. Okay, so now that's it. People use your hand, but I don't want to use my hand. I have this, I can make it with this and it's going to be perfect.
Cow meat, smoked turkey, smoked fish. You can also add smoked bonga fish.
So now we have our meat, we have our towel. So we are going to go ahead and add our cow skin. We are boiling all of our protein at once. Using strong kanda, it has a good taste. So we are going to add strong kanda. We boil it, and the stock is what we're going to use. So that is it. So we're just going to season our meat with some salt. And this meat with some salt. Okay. Then we are going to turn on our gas and boil everything. Just cover it and let it boil. Turkey, smoked turkey. This is turkey, but smoked turkey. So we are going to add. Close it and allow the meat. Okay, let's check our meat. Our protein is ready, and that's our stock. So just
Once everything is well cooked, we remove the meat from the stock and sieve the stock to remove any dirt or chaff. The meat stays aside and the clean stock is reserved. Mixing the yellow soup. We place a pot on the fire and gently heat our palm oil.
Stir it up, baby, make it hot, hot, hot. From okra to stew.
Next, we add the limestone water, only the liquid, not the residue, and we stir it carefully into the oil. Once it blends, we pour this mixture into the meat stock and stir everything together.
Magic pot unfold. Cooking with SD flavor on glass. Healthy and yummy, forget the fast.
Now we add our Achu spices, followed by bush pepper and country onions for extra depth. At this point, we taste. If needed, we add a little Maggi and salt, remembering that the stock was already seasoned.
Happy mood.
At this point, we taste. If needed, we add a little Maggi and salt, remembering that the stock was already seasoned. To get that thick, rich consistency, we blend the soup so the oil doesn't separate.
Cook the fish, jump in, no time for talking. Slice that okra, spice it, bowl. Watch this magic pot unfold. Cooking with SD flavor on blast. Healthy and yummy, forget the fast. Laughing and dancing with every dish. One taste and you'll be yelling sheesh. So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Cooking with SD, come with me. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood.
you can literally add your meat or you let it be. Like this is the protein, you can literally add it or you let it be. So let's add it. Then we stir it.
Kitchen Hub. Cooking with Estu. Come for the food. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood.
Let's paste. I'll not add all the meat. I'll leave some of it.
Hey, it's nasty in the pot. Stir it up, baby, make it hot, hot, hot.
And this is our yellow soup.
Pull up a chair, I'm cooking for you. Palm oil popping, crayfish rocking. Cook the fish jumping, no time for talking. Slice that okra, spice it, oh, watch this magic pot unfold. Cooking with SD flavor on glass. Healthy and yummy, forget the fast. Laughing and dancing with every dish. One taste and you'll be yelling sheesh. So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Cooking with SD, come for the food. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood.